Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Have you ever wondered how to build an income stream that grows faster than your monthly expenses? Most people think wealth only comes from a traditional 9-to-5 job or waiting until retirement. But there is a better way to create what we call an income snowball. It all starts with putting in the hard work up front to realize consistent returns over time. Today we are looking at 3 proven strategies to help you reach financial freedom faster. The first major strategy is creating digital products. This can be anything from online courses and communities to email lists and instructional PDF files. The idea is to build the product once and then maintain it. You can take a skill you already have and turn it into a comprehensive video course. For example, you could create a 10-hour course that teaches beginners how to navigate the stock market. By hosting your content on platforms like Skillshare, you can earn a portion of membership fees every time someone watches your lessons. This stream might start small with just $10 in the first month, but it has the potential to grow into thousands of dollars in passive income as your courses gain traction and positive reviews. Our second strategy involves taking the profits from your first income stream and reinvesting them into staking. This is a key part of the income snowball. Staking means you buy a specific cryptocurrency and lock it up for a set period to earn a yield. This process supports transaction validation and rewards you with more crypto. You can use platforms like Coinbase to get started. Simply create an account and deposit funds using a debit card or even PayPal. Look for assets you believe in long-term that offer a reasonable yield. Some assets like Solana might offer a 4% yield, while others can go as high as 15%. Once you execute the trade, you can click the Start Earning button to put your holdings to work. The third strategy is starting a scalable small business. One great example is using 3D printers to create and sell physical products like power tool accessories. You can start with just one printer in your basement to design and produce your first items. By reinvesting your profits, you can eventually scale up to dozens of printers. Selling through platforms like Amazon allows you to reach a massive audience. Once you build a system with employees and manuals, your main job becomes designing new products. This type of business can target an operating profit of around 30%. Building real wealth requires time and patience. There is no such thing as earning money for doing nothing without that initial effort. By focusing on digital products, staking, and a scalable business, you can start building your own income snowball today. Stick with it, and you will see those returns grow over time. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We will see you in the next video.